Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair JBL Wave 300 to your iPhone. Okay, so first of all, we have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. On the back you can find the charging input for a cable. Next, just open the case and take them out of this case. When you take a look on these indicators, they will start blinking quickly after a few seconds on the blue, so let's wait. There it is. And what you have to do next, just put them back. Do not put them back to the case. Open the settings on your iPhone, open the Bluetooth, and enable Bluetooth on this switcher. Right now they will appear on the list, so we have to choose them. And as you can see, after a few seconds, we are successfully connected. Unfortunately, there is no application for this device. You can just use them by using the standard Bluetooth settings. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.